Weston and I love to build. There is Weston! Surprise! Today I'm going to show you how to build a fort out of your couch pillows. First, you build the walls. Don't forget to make sure it doesn't fall. You make solid walls. Oopsies. Looks like my walls weren't solid enough. You make a sturdy base by leaning the pillows up against each other to make a corner. And then you build onto it. You can leave a hole for the door at any space you want. And then get big pillows or small pillows and make a roof. And if anything doesn't work, just try to fix it. Now my fort fell over because the walls weren't close enough together and the roof fell in and then knocked over the walls. And then I found out a better way to make it hold with 2 pillows instead of 1 pillow. And then you build on to the sturdy base. And then you want to leave a hole for the door. You get pillows to make the roof. I hope it doesn't fall in this time. This is about to fall in. Okay, and if it doesn't work, then push in a pillow, and then you can switch where you put the door, or push in the pillow next to the door, so the walls are closer together and the roof doesn't fall. That's what I did, and you can overlap pillows because the next part would be too wide. And then you have your fort, and you can decorate it on the inside any way you want. My fort is done, and after I put games and books in it, I might play games with my sisters or read books. Bye! I wrecked it, so now I will...